You can grow perfect seedlings indoors and kill them in one day outside. This process is called hardening off. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 7-day plan on how to harden off your seedlings. It can be the difference between success and starting over. But first, what is hardening off? When you grow plants indoors, they're not used to the wind, the direct sun, or the temperature changes. So if you move them outside too fast, they go into shock. And it's one of the most important steps before transplanting your plants outside. Here's exactly how to do it. Day 1 is simple. Take your seedlings outside for 1 to 2 hours in a shady, protected spot. They've been living indoors their whole life. Think of this like their first day outside. Don't throw them straight into full sun. And if you skip this step, they don't just slow down, they can completely die. Day 2, we're just building on day 1. Take them outside again for 2 to 3 hours, still in the shade though. You can give them a little bit more light on day 2, but avoid strong afternoon sun. Now day 3, this is where things start to change. Give them 3 to 4 hours outside, and now you can introduce a bit of morning sun. Morning sun is softer. This helps them adjust without stress. Day 3 is basically like introducing someone to the gym. You don't start with a 2-hour workout, you ease into it. Day 4, we're building strength. Leave them out for 4 to 6 hours with some sunlight and some wind. That wind actually strengthens the stems and makes for a stronger plant. If your plant looks a little stressed at this point, that's completely normal. What you don't want is them wilting hard and turning white. Day 5, leave them out for most of the day, 6 to 8 hours, including more direct sunlight. And this is where a lot of people lose plants. Keep an eye on the soil. Containers dry out fast outside. Day 6, full day outside. Now your plants are getting closer to being ready for your garden. And if your weather is warm overnight, you can even leave them outside longer. And what I've done and killed a lot of my plants is forgetting them outside overnight, thinking the temperature is not going to drop low enough to kill my plants. One cold night can undo weeks of growth. With day 6, at this point, your plants are building stronger cell walls. That's what helps them survive outside. Day 7 and your plants are ready. And what you'll notice is your plant leaves will start going a really dark green, and that just is a good sign that you're hardening off properly. But the main fact is your plants won't get sunburnt anymore. They're fully climatized outside and they're fully hardened off. Pro tip, try to transplant on a cloudy day or even in the evenings. This reduces the stress in the plants and helps them settle in quicker. Now that you know how to harden off your seedlings, would you like to find out how to transplant into your garden? Click this video next to find out how. See you in the next video.
Werden sie gucken, wie ins Genie, wer das